We got almost, I think, 280 bags here. We aim to provide presents and a hello to all the children here in the hospital, including the Nixies.
Now, this is one of my favorite games of all time right here. You ever played Monopoly?
There's some more of them. You can race them on that little track. I think maybe you could do that whenever you grow up. It'd be pretty cool.
Yeah. And this is just really a wonderful, heartwarming way for us to be there for these kids here. You know, a lot of times for us it's a very humbling experience. We get to really witness firsthand a lot of the bravery in the faces of the kids here.
Not yet. I heard it was pretty good.